All right. Hey, everyone. This video is designed to help you understand how to use Google Science Journal to collect data. So first, we're going to go ahead and open the app. So I'm going to go down here to the launcher and find Google Science Journal. Your app may be any number of places, but mine is toward the end here. I'm going to click on that, and it'll open up a blank screen. It'll say you have no experiments. So I want to click the plus button in the bottom right-hand corner. And this opens up my observation and data collection screen. Over here in the middle, in this black bar, you'll see 4 different icons. On the left, you'll see a write text icon where you can add notes to observations. In the second icon there, you'll see a little circle with a squiggly line through it. That's where your sensors are. The third one is where you can take a photo, and the fourth one is just uploading pictures. We're going to go to the Observe Sensors button because that's the most important one. And the first one that actually pops up for me is sound intensity, which again measures how high or low the volume of sound is in your area or whatever you're measuring. The second, you'll notice here there's 5 different icons. These are all the different sensors you can play with. The left one is the sound intensity one we're on right now. The second one is the pitch of sound that your internal microphones are picking up. The third one is the accelerometer in the X direction. Then the fourth one is the accelerometer in the Y direction, and that's kind of on a flat plane. Is what they're talking about here. And then the Z accelerometer is sort of up and down. If you move your Chromebook up and down, you can kind of see with my Chromebook moving there, you'll see the line kind of jumping up and down there. So we're going to go back to the sound intensity one because that's the easiest one to play with, I think, and also just to record quick data. So you'll notice that it's constantly collecting data, but it's not actually recording anything. All right, so if I wanted to record something, let's say like a couple of tones from this handy xylophone I have here, I would start my recording whenever I wanted to. It's this red button down here. I'm going to go ahead and start it and then play a couple of notes. All right, and then I'm going to stop the recording. All right, you'll notice that when it was recording, the screen turned red. And so it was just capturing that data that occurred when I started the record button and then stopped the record button. All right, so I'm scrolling up here. Here's my first recording, and you can kind of see it. It actually takes an average for you. It gives you a minimum and a maximum, and then you can play the whole thing. Sounds a little bit strange. Right, what it was actually recording there was not the pitch, but just how, again, sort of how high or low the volume was of the sound there. All right, so I can add a note to this timeline if I wanted to. I could just say different tones, whatever you want, and there you have it. All right, if I wanted to do another one, I could just come back here and start my recording again as I go. All right, so I'll do one more quick one so you can get a sense. Oop, sorry. This is a good thing to bring up. I actually brought up a second sensor there, and I didn't really want to, so you can hit those 3 dots in the top right corner and just close that out. So I'm just going to record one more time, something really quickly. And then again, you can see the second recording here. You can play around with it and do all sorts of fun things, but that's essentially how you capture data. Keep in mind that it's only going to record, or it's only going to graph the data that is captured when you click the record button to start, and then when you click that record button again to stop it. All right, thank you very much.